Hello again, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's. I have another tool that we can show you here. It's from Topdon and it is the ArtiDiag 600 Pro. So here's a quick little look over the box. I mean, there isn't much on there, just showing you what model it is really. So we've got a 2017 Land Rover Discovery here we can get it connected to. Now it does come in a little soft carry case. Inside you got your OBD connector. You have also got a USB-C cable here and of course the tool itself. So this is a wired tool. It does connect straight to the car, so it's not Bluetooth. Now we'll take a little look over the tool and show you what it can do. So here's your option for updating the tool. Battery voltage basically just shows the battery voltage of the car. I do need to register to get that up. You can do a standard OBD scan, or you can just go straight into diagnostics. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to need to register it either way, so I'm going to have to do that. Okay, now that's done, we should be ready to use the tool. Let's try that again. Of course now it's saying it needs updating, but hopefully we don't have to do that, just to get into the first scan. So it does support auto VIN. Let's see if that works. Yes, it does. Okay, like I said, here's the vehicle information. 2017 Land Rover Discovery 3 litre diesel V6, gives you all the information there. Now it does take a little bit of time, a little bit slower than some of the more expensive tools, but this is quite a budget range tool, this one. So we are getting there. 84% done. Okay, now we're in here. It just gives us the options to do hot functions or an auto scan. We'll look at the hot functions first, which is oil reset, battery monitor reset, steering angle reset, throttle adaptions, DPF regeneration, electronic park and brake as well there, ABS, TPMS, which is your tyre pressure monitor system, and injector coding. We'll hit auto scan. Now we're going to hit auto scan here. Okay, now it does give you a list of what faults it's found in red, and of course the ones that aren't faulty in green. You've got faults in the HVAC system. Let's go in and see what that says. Read the fault code. In configuration issue, whatever that means. I'm not sure. Okay, now we've got other fault codes here. Invalid data from the interface module. Side obstacle detection. Right, so we have got the option to clear the faults. And obviously we've got options for, if we go back, sorry, we should have went into check if we had live data option in here. Data stream is here. So this is a very important tool to diagnose any faults that you're looking at. You can see here on this vehicle it's got 1179 different PIDs that it can read. Okay, now here you can see you can go through all of the different items that you'll be looking for. Anything that you're in particular looking at, so if you have a fault that you want to go to that particular item and see what it's doing during the engine off or engine on. So basically you can start the engine and see some of these numbers moving. Fuel rail pressure, accelerator up and down, of course that increases. Next we showed the hot functions, so we'll exit there. Just a basic walkthrough of what the tool can do. So these are all the vehicles that it is compatible with. And you have maintenance options, all of these here. Battery voltage history, so you've got a history of what vehicles you've plugged it into. We haven't saved any reports, so we haven't got that in there. Library, and you got Google Chrome on there. DTC repair guide. That is about it really. I mean, we've got update system here, which we can update. I'm pretty sure this is free updates on this one, but we'll have to confirm that. So all of these items need to be updated. So if we press select, and I'm sure there must be a way to select all. There we go. We can update all of those in one go. So it is just connected to the hotspot of my phone at the moment, so the internet is quite slow. We're in a rural location as well. Anyway, but that's it. It's got a nice sturdy little case around it, so you wouldn't be scared of dropping it, thinking you're going to damage the actual tool itself. USB-C connector in the side there, and here is the back of the tool, so it looks like it's got a little speaker there. 12 volt input, USB-C 5 volt input, and then there is the rest of all the information about it there. So as usual, the link where you can buy this will be in the video description down there. I don't have an affiliate link, I don't think so. I'll have a check, but if I have, I'll put it in there. And see you on the next video.